Jolly Roger Barney's tractor kiddie ride. Yes. Yeah, but Jolly Roger in 2002, and that's on Leon's partnership. Yeah, this one didn't film, so why not film this one actually? Give some reason I got a £3 on this. I didn't expect that to happen. Yeah, this one I was going to film today, but I am, to be honest. It's just a one-off, to be honest. It's not the over there. This one was over there. I'm having that tomorrow. I don't know. I'm Rolly. I'm in Panther. And the ones I forgot to film in Joyland. Not really sure, to be honest. Yeah, that was Jolly Roger Barney's tractor kiddie ride.